If you want to make a post on the VK app, then please make sure you watch this video until the end, because then you will be able to do it. So let's dive into the video right now. You open your VK app. You are clicking on the top left, your profile icon. And here you see a bar in the middle that says post. We click on that. And here you will be able to post a story, a post, a photo, a clip, or a live stream. So let's say we want to post just a regular post. Then you can determine if you want to give access to your library. I'm not going to allow that for now. And here I can just write something. I'll just call it first post, because it's my first post, of course. We click on next. You can add a location, you can add music, you can add a poll or file, you can time the post. So for example, when you want to post it right now, you just click on now. But for example, when you want to post at a specific timestamp, you can just put it in, and then you can also determine who can see this post. So everyone, friends, close friends, you can all do this according to your personal preferences. And when you're finished, you just click on post, like I'm doing right now. And then the post will be processed, and here you can see it. This is my post. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.